What's up, fathers? It's your brother CJ. Welcome to the Divorce and Custody channel for men. Today we're going to talk about how to prepare for a child custody case in court. Okay, a lot of people don't have any idea because it'll be their first time walking into court for anything except maybe for a couple of traffic tickets. Most people are only coming into court for the first time. So let's help you prepare for what you need to do when you go for a child custody court hearing. Let's get started. So, number one, the first thing when you're going to court is prepare. You cannot adequately prepare enough for your child custody court case because it's going to be one of the most important determining factors in your life. This one chunk is going to cost you a lot of money in your life depending on how old your kids are for the next 18 years. So you must not take shortcuts. You must be fully prepared. What do you need to prepare? You need all your evidence. You need all your reasons why you should have child custody. You need all your paperwork of what you've been doing so far to be able to look after your family and your children. You need to demonstrate that you are the primary parent of your children and that they come to you for their primary needs and that's how you are running your household. If you are not running your household where you are the primary and your wife was primary, then you need to now indicate why you can be primary now. Things such as, you have the home, you're staying in the home, this is the place of their environment where they grew up, and obviously you want continuity for your children. Those kind of things, you want to be ready for all of that because all those things are going to matter. Number three, when you get in court, the judge is going to call up the petitioner first. That is the person who filed for the child custody court order. That's who's going to be called up to make a statement first. And if that's you, then you have to make your statement first and indicate what you are seeking in terms of child support and also the details as far as any modification that you may want regarding your child support. Number four, they're going to want the respondent to also make a statement. That's at the beginning. So what you're going to want to listen for is what that person is saying so that you can begin to look at what you have prepared as far as proof and documents so that when you are called up as witness, you can be discussing those things. Number five, you'll be called up as a witness. Because this is family court, it happens between Mondays and Fridays. Most people are going to be working. They're not going to be able to show up for you like that. So you're going to need to show up for yourself. When you show up as your own witness, you're just going to need to be credible. You're going to need to have proof. You're going to have to have documents. You're going to have to really show the judge that you are the person deserving of what you say you deserve for this child custody and child support. Now, some of the things that you need are to make sure that you have a stable home. If you have two kids, you want to make sure that you have a bedroom for each one. You want to make sure that your place looks like the kind of place where children will be able to have continuity for their school going, for their activities, the things that they normally did while you were still in the marriage. You're going to want to make sure that you prove yourself to be a responsible father, a responsible adult. You want to make sure that you have bedtime for your kids. You want to make sure that they have a routine that they follow on a day-to-day basis. You want to make sure that you are also providing emotional support for your children, that you are the kind of person who's able to have emotional intelligence enough to be able to look after your kids while you're going through this transition because their world is crumbling right now and you are going to have to be their pillar, but you can't do that if you're breaking down. So you're going to need to show up in court strong. You're going to need to show that you have what it takes to stand as a father. And also, the one other thing that you might forget, you're going to need to really structure your work schedule to align with their school schedule and babysitting schedule so that you are always there for them and your kids are never neglected because that's going to be huge in the court of law. All right, fathers, let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you agree, disagree. Also, I have the ebook, The 10 Things Your Lawyer Won't Tell You About Divorce and Custody. It speaks more about what we were speaking about in more detail. You can get that in the description below or on this link that you see on the screen right here. Also, if you have a peculiar child support or child custody issue that you want a coaching on directly, feel free to email me at the email by the link here below in the description. And in the meantime, in between time, please make sure you hit like and subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you can check out all the videos as they come out on a daily basis. And in the meantime and in between time, it's CYA. Cover your ass.